To pay your electricity bill using Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay app on your smartphone. If you do not have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and follow the installation instructions. Once you have the app, create an account or log in if you already have one. Google Pay requires you to add a payment method, which can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Select the payment method you prefer and follow the prompts to link it to your Google Pay account. Next, navigate to the Bill Payment section within the Google Pay app. This section may be labeled as Bills or Pay Bills. Look for the option to pay your electricity bill and select your electricity provider from the list of available providers. If your provider is not listed, you can try searching for it or check the Google Pay website for a list of supported providers. After selecting your electricity provider, enter your account details, including your account number and any other required information. Review the payment amount and ensure it is correct. You can also choose to pay the full amount or a partial amount, depending on your needs. Before completing the payment, review the transaction details, including the payment amount, payment method, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the payment and wait for the confirmation message. You will receive a receipt and a confirmation message from Google Pay once the payment is processed. It is essential to keep a record of your payment, including the payment date, amount, and reference number. You can also check your electricity provider's website to confirm that the payment has been received and updated in your account. Paying your electricity bill using Google Pay is a convenient and secure way to manage your bills. It saves time and eliminates the need to visit a physical payment location or mail a check. Additionally, Google Pay provides a record of your transactions, making it easier to track your payments and stay on top of your bills.